Pakistan's minority Shia Hazara community members ended their protest on 9th of January and buried the bodies of 11 coal miners killed by the Islamic State terrorists after Prime Minister Imran Khan assured that he would visit them soon. The decision was announced after a government team and members of Hazara community reached an agreement. All their demands have been accepted now. As per the agreement, the government will take necessary actions against those who were involved in the incident. A high-level commission led by the provincial home minister has been formed for the investigation. The Balochistan government also assured a compensation of ₹15 lakh to victims' family and will also provide employment to the family members. Balochistan's Shia Hazara community had been protesting for last 7 days and they were fighting for justice for 11 miners who were brutally killed near a mine site in Balochistan Makh coalfield area. So who are Hazaras and what happened? The Hazaras are one of the Afghanistan's largest ethnic minorities, accounting for up to 20% of Afghanistan's 30 million population. Most of the Hazaras live in the central region of Afghanistan in an area known as Hazarajat, with smaller communities living in neighboring Pakistan and Iran. There are about 2.7 million Hazaras in Afghanistan and up to 900,000 in Pakistan, which is very less compared to Sunni Muslim population, which is why they are considered as the most oppressed minority group in Pakistan. Hundreds of Hazaras have been killed over the last decades in attacks by Pakistani Sunni Muslim militant group and by Islamic State militants too. Attacks have included bombings in school and crowded markets and brazen ambushes of buses along Pakistani roads. On January 3rd, the community was attacked yet again. 11 miners of the Hazara community were abducted and killed in a residential compound near a mine site in Balochistan's Makh coalfield area. All 11 miners were blindfolded, their hands were tied before their throats were brutally slit for absolutely no reason other than their beliefs. The gruesome attack was claimed by the militant Islamic group later. Since then, thousands of people belonging from Hazara community had been protesting in the western bypass area in Quetta alongside the bodies of the miners. Their demand? The protesters had been asking Pakistan's Prime Minister Imran Khan to come visit Quetta himself. Initially, Prime Minister Imran Khan had appealed to Hazaras to bury the bodies and to not blackmail him. This demand has now been fulfilled. CM Jam Kamal announced that Army Chief General Qamar Javed Bajwa and Prime Minister Imran Khan will soon visit Quetta and meet the bereaved families after the bodies have been buried. In 2001, 8 Hazara Muslims were killed in a vehicle ambush. In 2003, 43 were killed in an attack on one of the mosques in Quetta. In 2004, 42 were killed during an attack on Ashura procession. In 2010, 50 were killed in a suicide bombing during the Shia rally in Quetta. In 2011, 8 were killed in a rocket and gun attack in a park, including children. In 2012, 7 Hazaras were killed in an attack on a van. In 2013, 81 were killed in January and 83 people in February in suicide and car bomb blast. It's time we stop ignoring minorities. They deserve justice and most of all protection. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay logical.